Okay, so Ikiwebu, you have to set this tree, and then the firewood that you use are the same sugarcane husks. Okay, so just like this, it boils all the way to this side, right? How many boiling pots? One, two, three, four, five. Five boiling pots. So, like, how long does it take to boil? Like, how many hours does it take to boil?
3 to 4.
3 to 4 hours.
It depends.
Okay. Oh yeah, man. Like, this is an acre of a land. Let me say like 4 or 5. No, 2 acres, right? This is like a 2 acres farm. No, 3 acres. So how long have you taken to work with this? Kama siku ngapi ndo mmefika miwa?
That's why I cannot tell you the reality.
Oh, okay. So like, how long then have you stayed here making this jaggery?
It's just
1 week. All right, guys. Today we are here, and we wanna be sharing with you the process of jaggery making. And this jaggery making is one of the biggest process that is being done over here. You know, mostly when we were young, we used to stay and say, oh man, how should we do this? Why are we making this? And how is this sugar being made? So today we are here at this farm. My farm is just down here, and today I had a very nice day. Like, okay man, because these guys are around here, and I want to share with you what's going on. So make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and you leave us a comment. And today is that day that I'll be sharing with you from the farm and the processing, the old industry that is going on around here. But also maybe we'll be lucky to have one of them or two of them who are working over here to share with us how they are working and how that jaggery that you see, all molasses. Sometimes they call it molasses and jaggery. You know, this is the machine, so it comes in here. You know, I'll be literally sharing with you how this work is going on, but for now they have gone for a short break and the noise has been reduced. So they take sugar cane, they insert it from in here, so it's being grinded and all the way to this side. The sugar, what you call, like, it comes in here. Kati ya molasses na jaggery, molasses ni gani? Ni hii yenye imesagwa sasa? Oh, umemuuliza? Oh, okay guys, we have here our father, the owner of this place, an entrepreneur, a businessman. Yeah, yes. This is jaggery. Oh, the sugar itself, the liquid content.
Maji.
Oh, okay. Okay, so that is jaggery. Okay. Yeah.
But this is the water that comes from the
Sugar. Machine. So it's being crushed around here. So when this goes round, it propels. Yeah. When this goes round, it propels this. Yeah.
Guys, as you have seen in the previous video,
Yes.
the sugarcane is being put there. As you see,
That's the sugar.
yeah.
Let's see how it's going on. Okay. Yeah. Let me hold this, and then inazungusha. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, so this is the main engine. How many horsepower?
Hii kama hii 24.
24 horsepower.
Hii 24 horsepower.
It's big, man.
Big sana.
Yeah.
Sasa kwa miwa
Yeah.
hii tunaitumia tu kwa sababu kuna zile ndogo.
Kuna zile ndogo ya.
Lakini hii ni zile za kukirash ile mawe ya gold.
Mawe ya gold. Oh, okay.
Hizi ni zile kubwa.
Okay.
Kirash mawe kwa
Diesel engine, right? Oh, it's a diesel engine. Oh, so this is the main engine, guys. That, and it's a diesel engine.
Yes.
So it's, and also it has a cooler. This is the coolant, right?
Maji inatokea, maji inapitia hapa. Inateremka. Maji inaingilia hapa.
Yeah.
Inakuja hapa, inatokea hapa.
Inairudi hapa. So this acts as the coolant.
Hapo inapoa.
So the water comes from where?
From here. You see there's an outlet. This is an outlet. So outlet comes, it takes it into the engine.
Kwa engine inapoesha engine inatokea hapa.
The hot water comes, inarudi hapa ndani.
Tena inapoa, tena inarudi hivi na circulate.
Oh.
So this is water.
Yes.
This is so this is water.
Yeah.
Not sugar.
It's water to cool the engine. Wow.
The water is
Yes.
to cool the engine.
Inashikanishwa na hii mshipa.
Okay. Wow. So this one comes in here.
Ino mshipa ile.
Let us try and see like that. Hey. Okay.
Sasa zilikuwa vitu separate.
Okay.
Sasa zimeshikanishwa na mshipa. Sasa zimeshikanishwa na mshipa.
Yeah.
Hebu finye huko hapo chini.
Ijakaa vizuri kwa.
Hivyo. Hivyo nishikilie?
Ifike chini.
Yeah. You see, even me, I'm a driver. This is the gear. Hey, this one is the same as it's the same as the one that you
start a bike with.
yeah.
Ndio iko hapa ya kuwashia.
Ya kuwashia. Oh.
Naweka hapa.
Okay.
So now that's the handle.
It's called Henry.
Oh. Sasa kisha wakishwa. Si nazungusha. Nazungusha belt. Belt nazungusha hivi.
Okay.
Tunaziita gears.
The gears.
Hizo ni gears.
It does this.
Rotates, yeah.
Hiyo ndio gear main.
Oh, the main gear.
Hiyo ndio main.
The main.
Inafungushwa na hii kidogo.
May I not see inside?
Ikizunguka inazungusha ile.
Okay.
Meno ndio hivi.
Oh, so this one crushes the sugar
Hiyo ndio
and they're soft. They're soft, yeah. This
Oh,
very
that's why
yeah.
they're just like
lakini
that.
ziko hii ya chini. Chini ni mbili.
Mbili. So that one is the one that's so
Hii
big.
ni kubwa. Kuna chini hii ndogo. Na pande hii
Kuna ingine.
inakuwa mbili.
So
Sasa
they
hizi mbili. Hii ni ya kuvuta miwa ndani.
okay.
Hii miwa ukishaweka hivi tu. Mashine inasukuma.
Mashine inazuia.
Oh, see, tunaweka hapa.
Hapa.
Also, you just
Ndio maana
put your
hivyo
shit over here. Then
It goes all the way. You won't push that alone. You know there it's already have a gear. So that's like a clutch. So when you put it down,
Maji inatokea hapa chini.
okay. So
Maji inakuja hapa na teremkia hapa inaingia.
inaingia hapa. So this is the jaggery.
yeah.
So the jaggery and the molasses are now those ones that are being
Au ukimaliza unaweka hapa.
okay.
Na chota.
The juice from the sugarcane comes to this part.
Yeah.
And then it's being taken there before it becomes jaggery.
Yeah.
The juice from
The juice, yeah. So we were told this is the jaggery. So we wanna see the molasses now.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one, the first process is to insert the sugar cane, and then when it's being crushed, the juice is being siphoned to this place. Again, they measure them on side, like on these jerry cans.
Yeah.
Then from these jerry cans, now all the way.
Over there.
Yeah. Sorry, Papa. Anatoa. Hey guys, we are here. I'm not alone. I'm here with
Sherin Mevin.
Mevin,
Yeah.
and also here with
Evelyn Minage.
Evelyn Minage.
Yeah.
And we are all here. So today they told me, Claude, we wanna come and see the place where the jaggery comes from, and
Yeah, we
also
just
here
we don't know where it comes
With
from.
Atieno Eliam.
at Tieno Alien.
Yeah.
Nice guys. So let's see what's
Lucas kama instructor.
Lucas.
That's our instructor.
No, we say Lucas the instructor.
Professor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Sasa tunaweka maji hapa kiasi.
Okay.
Oh, the water, the juice sasa.
Jaggery.
Oh, the jaggery.
Okay. Oh, so from here now, it boils all the way. And the bees love here. So the bees come take the...
Karagu nao ni ngapi? Ziko pale.
Ziko 5. Wow.
Kila moja iko na kazi yake.
Okay.
Oh, sio ati. Oh, kazi yao ni nini?
Kila moja iko na kazi yake.
Oh, each and every one of these.
Moja ikiwa
Yeah.
Utaona maji kutolewa pale.
Be careful.
Utaona maji kutolewa hapa. Huku hii.
Yeah.
Shika nini?
It's okay. Thanks.
Utaona maji kutolewa pale. Iruke pale kuja hapa.
Tena.
Sasa hii
So this acts as the main
Yeah, the main tank.
Boiler. The boiler.
then
Okay.
if you want to remove this water, you are not even putting it inside here.
Oh.
You will skip this one then.
So
Oh.
why? Why do you skip? What is
Kwa
the
nini?
reason of that?
Yeah.
Kwa sababu hii moto hapa moto ni mingi sana.
Okay.
Sasa tunaona ni mingi.
Yeah, the heat is too much.
Tunaona itatolewa.
Okay.
Hapa moto ni mingi sana
Okay.
kuliko ile moto iko huko.
Okay.
Kwa hivyo hii kichemka itawekwa hapa na temperature yake iko juu.
Okay.
Kwa hivyo hii kwa sababu ni namba 2
Yeah.
Iko na heat.
moto yake
Iko mingi
haijatoshana na hii.
na hii yeah.
Kwa hivyo hii itaachwa ikiendelea kuiva peke yake.
Okay.
Hii iwekwe huko.
Okay.
Sasa hii ingine itatolewa huku
Yeah.
iletwe huko.
Huku tena.
Eh.
Okay.
Sasa nayo kitambo ishike moto zile degree zinahitajika
Yeah.
itatoshana na hii.
Okay.
Sasa unaona?
Yeah.
Sasa hizo zote mbili zitahamishwa ziletwe huko.
Huko mwisho.
Huko mwisho.
Yeah.
Ile ni store.
Oh, that's the store.
Ile inawebebaga maji tu ya kupoesha.
Okay.
Maji ya kupoesha.
Yaani hii maji yote itajazwa huku. Sasa ile inachemka, unachota kidogo unamwaga. Huwezi mwaga maji ya mto.
Oh yeah.
Unachota kidogo unamwaga unapoesha chini. Unapoesha.
Oh.
Yaani unajua kabla ya mara hii nini hiyo tumeita
Molali. Eh.
kabla iishe maji inachemkaga kama maziwa.
Ai.
Inachemka hii huwezi pigwa ikiwa hivyo itamwagika yote.
Oh.
Moja ikiwekwa ilikuwa kama 3 hours.
3 hours. Hey guys. So it does all you see.
Na zile kuni. Kama zimekauka.
Inaweza chukua na 2 hours.
Tumeona kuni. Kuni meziona.
So the firewood is the same sugarcane that has been crushed. So the yeah.
Tunaanika hizo nini? Hizo resi.
Wow.
Tena ndio tunatumia kama
Hi guys. It's a lot of work that is being done here. So when you see the jaggery, being made, hey.
Ndio maana nasikia nimeuliza maswali, so I'll just tell my people.
Yeah.
That's
So
just next to his mouth.
yes. So this is the main kiln. Okay.
moto. Inawekelewa hapa.
Oh.
Hey, Adi, hii this one. What is the use of? But this is a metal.
Ni moto?
Oh, it is moto.
Ni umaskini.
Sio maskini baba.
Ni
Chuma.
inafaa chuma.
And
Okay.
what is the work of this tree?
Ndio sasa kubeba.
Kutengeneza bed.
For firewood.
Yaani usirushe hivi vitu ndani, sianguke chini.
Oh.
Zikaa hapo juzi wake.
Okay.
Majivu yakiteremka yanakuja hapa.
Okay.
Hata kabla muhakishe tunaona ndio yamewekwa.
Ndio ishawekwa hapa ya.
Hata asubuhi kabla muhakishe unatoa yote, hii inabaki kama
Shimo.
shimo.
Bumps the kiln.
Sasa
Kesho nakuja kutoa.
hii miti inafaa iwe chuma.
Okay.
Juu hatuna pesa ya kununua chuma na hii imezeeka.
Yeah.
Support na miti sasa.
Okay.
Lakini unaona
So we have gotten it well.
umeshika.
Yeah.
Umeshika kabisa.
Kama tungekuwa na wewe.
Andika hiyo.
Yeah.
Hiyo chuma unaona hii. Mwisho itakataa kazi kabisa, lazima muende mnunue.
Mununue ingine. And it's not just a normal metal. You know,
Kitu mzito kile kinaweza
it's heavy.
hold moto for some time.
Oh wow.
Sasa tunaona kama ilikuwa chassis ya gari.
Yeah.
Lakini tunaona imeungua mpaka imeisha kama.
Mpaka imeisha.
Mpaka imezeeka.
Because this is just a chassis, like more so for the trailers. The trailers. It's not hot.
But now you want to light this fire now with this sun.
Yeah.
Saa hii.
Now, let's wait and see how it's going on. Then we can proceed and finish.
Wanakula.
I want to see practically.
Practically.
Yeah, I love practical guys.
Hey,
We are
okay.
waiting, yeah.
Okay, let's wait and see what's going on.
Inaenda non-stop.
Non-stop. Until kesho asubuhi.
No, 3 hours.
2 hours. Sasa unajua ikija itakuwa hapa ndio mahali tunakuwa.
So this is the final place.
Hapa ndio
Final destination.
I see the jaggery, man. Can I start pinching? Hey.
Nowadays you don't have zile za mayuai. You know the ones which...
Mayuai.
Yeah, mayuai. Zile...
Wakitaka na kutengenezea.
gani?
Ya mayai ile iko inajivuta hivi kama ball gum yani.
Oh, si inatokea hapo.
Mbona siku hizi saa ziko nyingi?
Because the demand.
Demand.
No.
The jaggery, they have 2 types.
Yeah. No, 3.
Oh, 3. No, the black
There's that one, there's the black one. There's that mayuai, the one that peels on its own. And there's that pure fine, the white that looks very white.
Oh,
yeah. So this one brings up, you know me, when those days back when I was schooling and we had no school fee, I used to create illicit beer, the beer. Pombe, yeah. Wow. This local beer. Changa. Yeah, so I used to buy 1 jaggery like this at 19 shillings.
19?
Yeah, 19 shillings, 1 jaggery. So you 8 bob. Oh, that was back in 2014, 2011, 2012, 2013, something like that.
Hizi vikombe sio the same.
Different. Oh yeah.
Sasa hii ni 80, hii ni 100.
Oh.
Unaona?
Let me see, guys.
Hiyo ni 100. Sasa ni kubwa.
Yeah, it's bigger.
Hiyo ni 100.
180. 100, guys, just like $1.
Nomo wengi wa 80.
This container is here.
Yeah, so this one.
Measure the jaggery, right?
Yeah, jaggery, yeah.
So this one here, how much is 80 bob?
It's like, let's say $0.90.
Oh, $0.90.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have different
Measurements, yeah.
And so different prices. Yeah. So one is $1.
And another one, bigger one like this is $1. Yeah.
$1. This goes for $1. And this one here goes for 0.09.
Yeah.
I thought it's going to be cents. Okay, guys.
It's nice, man. This reminds me my life.
Wow.
Ni wito gini nango kamana ya.
Hata hapa ndio kuna sukari ngumu. Kwa sababu ujue ile sukari ikitoka pale.
Yeah. It's so hot.
Ikitoka pale ni so hot.
Oh.
So ikifika hapa unajua inatolewa, mnaweka kwa vikombe mkiungua.
Immediately.
Sasa kama hapa tunaona kama juzi imenichoma.
Oh, sorry baba.
Hey,
those are what you call like
naona kama juzi. Naona hapa nimeungua.
Ay.
Sukari imenichoma hapa.
Sorry. Guys, this is challenges of the work.
Unaona. Sasa hapo unajua sasa ile hapa.
We have to.
Oh, ili unajua inakuja kama imejaa.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
Sorry.
Yaani ilinipita. Ili japo kutoka hapa lakini nilikuwa nimevaa
nguo nzito.
Hata ningekuwa nimeungua hivi. Sasa sasa ile naenda kuepa hivi.
Ikapita hapa.
Ndio hapa amesapota.
Yeah. Oh, so they're arranging there to start the fire. Hey baba. Aye ni kazi kumbe. Yes, this is what you see what's going on all along.
Somebody might be asking themselves, what is this? This is the ash that has come from here. It doesn't need to be full.
So nawasha. Moto inawaka.
They have to remove all the ash from here.
Guys, the guy is starting the fire from there. You know. Imeanza. Yeah, it's dry. Very dry. Oh man. So the fire is coming. The fire is coming. No, the fire is coming. So the fire is coming along, man. The good job.
How will it get to the...
Don't you see how the fire is going on?
Also the heat. Ndio inaenda.
Hata hapo nimesimama penyewe.
Inaenda uone tumezia huko. Ni moto inaenda kabisa unaona.
Oh man.
Unajua hapa imewekwa kama tunnel.
Kama tunnel.
Tunnel.
Oh, okay.
So ikiingia ndani haina option.
It's have to go in front.
Lazima iende mbele, manake ndio kuna space. Sasa inatafuta mahali ya kutorokea. Manake ikiwa hapo chini hakuna upepo. Inasukuma kutoka huko na upepo. So lazima itafute hiyo barabara ichomokee huko juu. Ikifikiria inatoroka, kumbe na zile karai huko juu. Suruali imeanza kufuata njia.
Yeah.
Umeona?
Mmeelewa point. You need to translate for your people.
Guys,
they'll be wondering how the other sufuri is getting hit.
Yeah.
So this one is like a tunnel. So the fire needs a space to escape.
Yeah.
So it won't be able to move anywhere. It just has
to follow the escape route.
Yeah.
So it's going
iende huko. Alafu ile joto inakuwa hapo ndani ni mingi, lazima hiyo moto itafute mahali inatorokea.
Yeah. Tutachomeka huko bingoni like the scene.
This one is less.
Ya binguni kali sana.
That this finger will take 1,000 years.
Let's wait and see. Ni kweli baba. Ati kidoli naungua 10,000 years.
Or the liars.
Binguni kali. Unaposikia 1,000 years. Bibili kalio ni 1 day.
1 day.
Unaona?
Okay.
Kwa Mungu unaposema siku moja, yani siku kwa Mungu unaposema mwaka mmoja,
that's a minute.
Kwa Mungu ni siku.
Wow.
Ndio unaona hata confusion inakuja kwa mambo ya maandiko.
Okay.
Interpreters wana kama hujaelewa mgeni akisikia Mungu amesema atakaa miaka 100. Sasa miaka 100 ya Mungu wewe jua inaanzia wapi?
Ni kweli.
Unaona? Kwa sababu wewe unahesabu mwaka leo na kwa Mungu ni mwaka
mmoja.
Siku moja. Wewe ukihesabu mwaka kwa Mungu ni siku.
Kumbe inaisha
No, he's trying to cover. He wanted to see the spaces.
Moto inawekwa.
And then you see what's going on.
That is very nice to show.
Yeah.
So he's trying to cover. Yeah. So guys, they want to see this place. He'll put the fire so that he can see where the escape route is of the fire, and then he'll make some mud and then cover it. Oh, so ana cover yote. Oh, okay. Ya kupitia. Yeah. It's better.
I think if you ukishika na mkono
you overheat.
I overheat mbio.
You overheat mbio, yeah.
Yeah.
Maji kichemka. Unaona? Kuna mtu pale wa kuchunga
moto.
Okay. Na kuna mwenye tena wa kuchota maji.
Oh yeah, so guys, the process says here you have to have so many manpower. So first manpower is to act as the cock of the. Oh, okay. Kuchota. Oh, okay.
Kuchota nini?
Maji. So here he says you must have some few manpower. Yeah. So there's a person who really acts as a, how do you call those one? A fireman. Let's call them fireman.
This person is constant.
Yeah. Constant, yeah.
For how many hours? 4 hours.
Paka itoke.
Oh, for 3 hours.
Probably 3 hours.
Because if he goes, the fire stops.
Yeah.
It goes down.
Oh, okay.
And the other person will just
Tunaanza saa 7:30.
Oh, yeah.
Guys, I'm following you to show you how he
anapulika mashimo mahali wote.
This reminds me of you know why? This reminds me of our ancestors in the ships where they were trying to put on the nini. If you coal, they call the steam engines. Yeah, so you put. Oh, okay. The steam engine now.
Hata nikishika na mkono acha tumeke kwa kiuno sasa.
So you put on the.
Yo, basi kwa the same thing. Yeah.
Tunaona ziko pande ile.
Yeah.
Sasa hiyo ni kazi yake ni kuzuia upepo.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it passes the wind from.
Upepo is no one direction.
Okay.
Kutoka chini
kwenda juu.
Sasa upepo kutoka huko inazuiliwa na mabati. Ukitoka huko inazuiliwa na mabati.
Upepo ya nje.
Ya nje.
Oh, you hear this one has started to boil, man. Ah,
Yeah, you can hear even
yeah, you can hear the hissing sound.
this one has not stopped.
Huh?
This one here.
Yeah. So these mabatis act as the wind barrier.
Eh,
They act as the wind barrier. So yes.
hii kazi yake ni tofauti.
And even the sugar cane.
Yeah.
Hii kazi yake
Yeah.
ni ya moto kupita beyond
Beyond this place.
kwa shamba.
Oh.
Manake moto
It's very heavy. Yes. The fire is something crazy, guys. Hapa, hawezi pita hapa.
haijakuja uwezi
The fire is crazy. So he's saying that this place also acts as, because there will be too much fire from here.
Moto inawaka mpaka
Yeah,
hapa juu,
it
utaiona.
buries these ones. It prevents it from going to the shamba. You know, when to prevent it from going to the shamba. Yeah,
Kando na hii makaa,
yeah. We have this one. Oh,
unaona?
this is actually coal.
Eh,
Is this coal?
unaona hii? Sasa hii
Yeah.
hii ni sukari imeungua
Oh,
ikapita.
ikapita.
Wewe unaona hii?
Oh yeah, come here. There's this one.
Unania hapa mjaona?
There's two overburnt sugar.
Hii ni
Yeah.
hii ni wabani sugar. Lakini haina waste.
Yeah, doesn't have a waste.
Ni chako mzuri sana, yani makaa mzuri.
Oh, it's a charcoal.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it acts as coal
Sasa hii
now.
sukari imegeuka kama mawe.
So you can make charcoal
Sasa hii tayari
from
hii
sugar.
ni kuni sasa. Unaona hivi? Hii saa hii hata kesho mkitaka mnaweza kuja na jiko,
Unachukua this one.
ukishaianika
Ah, it's charcoal, man.
sasa ni makaa.
It's the strongest charcoal.
Yeah,
Yani
it looks like coal.
Yeah,
unaona hii peke yake hivi.
it's very
Hii
heavy.
peke yake
guys.
hivi. Hii inatosha upike mboga,
Eh.
upike ugali ama ipike githeri hivyo ya
Come on, man.
Lakini
Like, imagine this is
haina shida.
hii ni overburnt sugar.
Where did it overburn?
Like unajua inaungulia chini. So wanaitoa and it's charcoal also.
Yani unajua vile mnapika, kwenye na bado pia nasikilia ukuta.
Yeah.
Kesho mnapika bado imeshikilia.
Yeah.
Kesho mnapika bado imeshikilia.
Yeah.
Sasa naye kishashikilia sana, karai haitaungua.
Oh.
Sasa mnabomoa.
lakini sasa hii si itakuwa itachafua sufuria. Sasa inatumika kama ka charcoal.
Sasa hata
Exactly
huki
like charcoal.
sini chako hata ukishika ikuchafui.
No charcoal, man. Clean charcoal.
Yaani clean chako.
And it's very heavy. Oopsie.
Let's go
Na iko na moto, na iko na moto mingi.
eco friendly.
Hii
Eco
ni
friendly.
eco-friendly. Hayo ni makaa.
Guys, man, we are learning. We are learning each and every single day, guys, that things are really okay over here. So this is the process where we see, when sometimes we see molasses of jaggery, this is how it comes from, man. This is where it comes from. Look at the fire. Do you even see how it's coming along? Look inside there. Look. Ha 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 ha. Paul, pisha. Hey, sister, mbale kidogo. Usija ungue. Naona hiyo moto venye iko karibu. Hey. Too much. Ishakwambia tena too much heat. Oh, okay. So you see now, that's the process. Sasa anachota from the second one to the third one.
Yeah, second one to the third one.
Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Yeah.
Sasa kwa sukari, mambo ya kutoa sukari. Mtu wa maana sana ni
Okay. He's the me.
huyu. Ni mtu wa maana zaidi, yani mtu wa maana zaidi. Kwa sababu hii maji haimix.
Okay.
Yaani hiyo maji akikosa kujua vile anaichanganyisha, unaweza kukosa kutoa sukari hapo hata mawe moja.
Oh.
Yaani hiyo maji yote inaweza haribika. Maji ya leo yote.
Okay.
Huyo sasa
Na mbona hii ijaanza kuchemka na ndio ya kwanza?
It's a lot.
maji ni mingi.
Hey guys, this is what is.
Hiyo ndio inachemka zaidi. Manake moto iko hapo. Lazima uwe ni mtu unajua. Ni drum gani? Maji inatoka kwa drum gani?
Inaenda kwa drum gani? Oh yeah.
Kwa gani? Iende kwa gani?
Okay.
Ukikosea kidogo tu hivi. Hiyo mambo ya sukari hiyo mmeachana nayo.
Okay.
Ukikosea kidogo.
Okay. This is the hardest part to deal on. Okay, so
he knows the temperature of each bowl. Are these bowls or what?
cooking pot.
And now they have to stand here until for like 4-3. Outcome of what you eat.
Yeah.
This is, and also the iron sheets have been put.
A picture of the yeah, guys. So we are here. We are definitely over here, and this is what you see what's going on around. So sometimes when you enjoy your jaggery or when you enjoy your molasses, don't think that it just comes from an easy place. This is where you see where it comes from. Literally, that is where it's all done here. What's your name, bro? Boni. Yeah, guys, we are here with Boni, and Boni is the fireman. So he has to make sure that this fire never ceases. The fire continues until when it's 2 to 3 hours. Then they start exchanging this one. So, and then you'll be seeing us taking to this side where there is what we call like those bowls that you saw there, and then you'll be able to see the end product. So for now, we were here and
Help him do that.
Yes, put. Yes.
Expect me to go eat. Let me keep them very far. Boni, Papa Boni. Let me decide here, Papa Boni. Let me also put this down. Yeah.
With all the porridge you drank in the morning.
When I came to the farm, minus taking anything. Yeah. Atanipeleka mkono ndani. Hapo sawa.
I also want to do that.
Yes. Yes. It's a nice experience.
I've just put my phone here to cool down. Where is Claude? You see, he talks all languages. Yeah.
He said he is talking around 6.
I can speak a lot of languages.
Okay, let me come and do that.
Even Espanol.
Yeah. Espanol.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hiyo bado haijachemka. Hiyo ni store.
Oh.
So they are bringing the juice from the other spot, from the first spot to this side, so that they can have a similar boiling point.
Yeah. So guys, this is what you see. So all pots are boiling. So guys,
Oh, yes. It is full putting. This is a newfound hobby.
Yeah, this is a new kind of hobby. The hidden talent.
Yeah.
and she loves that.
Yote imeshakuwa sukari.
Okay.
Sasa ile ndio karai isiharibike.
Okay.
Inawekwa tu maji ya mtoni.
Maji ya mtoni.
Yao yakichemka, lakini uking'oa zote kuja kuanza kuzipanga tena.
It's hard.
Ndio zinachukua masaa.
Oh yeah.
Sasa badala kuweka maji kesho utoe hiyo maji. Kuliko
Nini?
kuzing'oa.
Okay. So sukari yote inaletwa.
Sasa hapa ndio inaanziaga na hapa ndio inaishiaga.
Oh. So imerudishwa hapa yote.
Yote sasa imeiva.
Okay, so guys, he says that these ones all are here to balance themselves all, but the process all comes and it ends here. It starts here and it ends here. This is what you see. Hey, hey. You see how it's boiling? Oh my god. Hey, jomba. So this comes here. Itakuja yote hadi hapa alafu iende huko. Okay. Okay. Eh? The same. Oh, okay guys, this is what you see. Hii ni maji tu. Okay. Oh wow, man. So says all this is water so that it maintains this one so that it doesn't burn completely. So all the way. Yeah. Wala la la. Okay. Oh, okay. So hizi lazima ziwekwe ndani ya maji. Ndo zisi yeah. Okay, so this one they have to put here. They have to dip them all in the water. Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay, so these tins have to be dipped in the water so that the water they have to be wet so that the jaggery or the molasses can't stick.
Stick.
Okay. Wow, man.
Then
the cup also
be cool.
Oh, okay. Okay, so they must be cold.
Cold hivi. Hapo ukiweka sukari ndani ina contract haraka.
Yeah, it condenses very fast.
Very fast.
Oh wow. Guys, let's wait for the jaggery, man. Let's see, it's good and great, man. It's very it's knowledge, man. Knowledge. Some few minutes and we'll be done with this. Talk up, Nani. It's time to So they have taken it from there. Now the end product is here. Now the end product. Toke karibu. Toka karibu, hiyo kizunguka hapo ni shida. Toka karibu kabisa. Hey. What is that process in English? Rudoring. That's so heavy. That's tiring.
Whisking, you whisk wheat.
So guys, that's how you see it. So everybody is waiting for that.
You might think that he's dancing, but he's not dancing.
Oh, nice. So you see now this is jaggery itself. It's still boiling on its own.
And it's very hot.
Hey, hello. It looks like a big cake. Now this is the big cake that everyone have to cut his own portion. A very big cake. Kwa mga nakaona marumba. 50-50 oko maha, shauri yako. Kale tumotira hanoyo. So that's how it's going on. Michael. Hey. Ooh la la. Yeah.
Asubuhi tunakuja tunapika ugali. Kwa wadhi.
Oh, okay. So that's how it's being arranged. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Let's go into the story.
The end time. So they're being packing
is being transferred to these containers, and then it will be put here and it will be left for about
thing takes place. Cooling now. When it cools, it becomes now the jaggery or the molasses. I think it's the molasses.
Yeah, molasses.
The molasses, yeah. When it cools and it becomes nice like that.
That's why they are doing it quick.
Very
I was
quick, yeah.
wondering why are they doing it very fast?
Because it's cooling. It's freezing in short.
The inside there,
Yeah,
they'll
yeah.
be at a loss.
Yeah. They don't want to be in a loss, at a loss, so they want to deal with it very quick.
They kind of move it.
Guys, as you can see, they are doing it so quick because it's condensing inside the cooking pot, and they don't want it to condense inside there. They want it to condense when it's already out here, so that they do not incur any losses.
Already condensing, you see like this. Hey. Guys, it's just like that. Woo! Man at work.
The final result.
Final results, man.
Yeah.
Lakini kama enda
Final product.
Very best. Yeah. You are scoring gurus from here, guys.
inakuja hapa nje hii moto, ona?